This is my second tutorial I am giving for AutoCAD. In previous I have discussed about 2D plots, rectangle, line, and how to take offsets and doing trimming. I quickly get to the trimming again as if okay. So for trimming, let's draw some rectangle first. And I am giving the coordinates for rectangle 0, 0 and 10, 10. Okay, so I got a rectangle. Now for trimming I want some other part, so for that I am drawing a circle, taking this as center and drawing a circle. Okay, so I want to trim this section in the square part of a circle. So I have to type TR and double enter. Okay, so it is asking which part I want to trim, so I will select this. So this part has been trimmed. Okay, so in this way we can trim the parts. Now see, I can also trim this part portion also, as it is bounded by this 1 and 2 and this. So in this way I can trim the objects. Now to delete all this, Control A and making delete key. So all the thing has been deleted. Escape key for cancel the command. Okay. Now another thing is that if I have to give dimensions in a 2D plot, so how to give? So let's plot a rectangle, giving coordinates as 0, 0 and another as 12, 5. So rectangle has been drawn. Okay, and let's draw a circle. Simply draw a circle. Okay, I don't know what the dimension as it is. So for giving the dimensions in the figure, I have to type a command which is dim linear for giving dimensions in linear way. Okay, so for that I take this point, take another point and extract them. Okay, so see, I am getting a dimension 12. Okay, now for giving the dimension in polar for circle, as it radius, and okay, for giving the radius, type dim radius, DIMRAD. So it is asking select arc or circle, so select it and extend it. See, you are getting what is the radius of that circle. Okay, so in this way you can give the dimensions to some 2D plots. Now as here I am using this drafting and annotation workspace. Okay, this is not so good, I suppose. So click here and select AutoCAD Classic. Okay, so here the options are very good and we can also do good commanding here. Okay, so AutoCAD Classic provides a much better workspace for drawings. Control A and delete. So all the things have been deleted. So let's get into the another things. As I have given the dimensions. Okay, so if one wants to change the dimension styles, so for that the command is dm style. Let's draw a rectangle and give dimensions linear. You can also use from toolbar menu. See there, you can't see the dimensions. Okay, so type dm style, press enter. So see, dimension style manager is open. Select here modify. Now see here text height, change it to 2. Okay, and set current close. See, you get a bigger size value of that dimension. So it is preferable for using this. In this way you can change the dimension style. You can also do other things in dimension, like type dimension style, press enter, modify. You can select color, which color you want. Okay, in this way you can do experiment on your own and see what have happened. Okay, so in this way dimension can be given to the figure. Now I am going to teach that how to change this grid option. Okay, so if some doesn't want these grids, so simply click here. So all the grids has been removed. Okay, if you click here, the grids will become on. Okay, now the keyboard command for grid on and off is simply pressing F7. Okay, by pressing F7 you can simply on and off the grids. Okay, now let me draw a rectangle and any 2D plot, and we want to hatch the inside region. Okay, for that, see, I am drawing a rectangle, and for hatching, let go to the command bar, simply type H. So hatch and gradient has been opened. Now which pattern do you want? So simply any pattern you click. Okay, what scale do you want? Click, you can do. Okay, now these are two boundaries, pick points and object. If you want to select object, select this. If you want to select points, select this. Okay, let's go to the points. Let this internal point I am selecting, press enter. Okay, let's first see preview. Okay, press enter. So you have hatched the region. Okay, in this way hatching can be done. Now if see, these corners are very sharp. In some figures we find that there is some chamfering provided in some components. Okay, so for chamfering, the command which use is CHA, enter. Now it is asking first line, if somebody knows that at what distance we have to provide chamfer. Okay, so simply write D, at what distance we want a chamfer. Okay, so specify the first chamfer distance. So in this line, let the chamfer is from this to this, and this is the distance, I think, take 2. Okay, so 2, enter. Now second distance, let the second line will be this, and here also the distance will be 2. Now it is asking the first line, click. Okay, so in this way chamfer is created. Now if somebody wants to chamfer all these corners, so for that, first of all write CHA, give distance 2, oh sorry, again sorry, for multiple lines, again write CHA, here see multiple. Okay, on this multiple click. Now give distance 2, and now simply select the lines first, second, and first, second. Okay, so I need to remove this hatching first. Okay, so it is not clearly visible. Again doing chamfering, CHA, multiple, distance, which is 2, simply click. Now asking the first line and second one, again first, second, first, second. Okay, so in this way a chamfering can be done. Now as you see, this is a very sharp, so we want chamfering but in arc form, so that is called as fillets. So for fillets, again drawing a rectangle. For fillets option we have to write F and simply enter. It is asking radius, trim, multiple. Okay, so if we have radius, then click on this, give the radius, giving 2, enter, selecting the first object and the second object. Okay, if one wants to multiple chamfering or multiple filleting, so write F